Back to Jimmy 2 and 3. Today, Jade wants to play basketball. So
no way.
Let's see if we can hit some shots on our home court. What? First try. Good swagger. We haven't practiced in a while, so
nope.
We need to get out here.
No way.
Get in there, ball. There you go. All your strength. Jade's hit 3 3-pointers in a row, but I wasn't taping because we had a friend come by. But there's 4. Easy work. Think your arms are getting stronger, big boy.
Wow. 5.
Oh my God, 5 in a row. That's great. 2 for the people. Can the people get 3 in a row?
Awesome.
Nope.
Oh.
Oh, go lay it up for him.
Nope.
Okay.
6.
Never mind. Looked like it was on the line. I like it.
Came out as 10.
You're getting your range extended.
7, 6, 5. All 3 engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0, and lift.
7.
The final lift
Buckets.
off of Atlantis on the shoulders of the
It's
space
time.
shuttle. America will continue the dream.